Are you ready to transform your mechanical keyboard from a mere tool into a stunning centerpiece? Today, we're diving into a world where color flows, aesthetics are paramount, and every keystroke feels just right. Get ready to discover the magic of our new Gradient PBT keycaps, designed to elevate your typing experience and give your setup a truly unique personality. Imagine gazing down at your keyboard and seeing a mesmerizing cascade of color. That's exactly what these Gradient keycaps deliver. Instead of static, uniform shades, you'll witness a harmonious blend where one color seamlessly transitions into another. We've meticulously crafted various breathtaking combinations. Picture vibrant reds melting into soft, romantic pinks, or deep, calming blues elegantly fading into rich, mystical purples. For those who prefer a more subdued yet stylish look, we offer refreshing greens graduating into sophisticated grays, and even multiple interpretations of beautiful pink gradients, ensuring there's a perfect visual symphony for every taste and mood. This isn't just a set of keycaps, it's a dynamic art piece for your desk. Beyond their captivating visual appeal, these keycaps boast superior quality thanks to their PBT construction. Unlike common ABS plastic, PBT is renowned for its exceptional durability and resistance to shine. This means your keycaps will retain their pristine, matte texture and vibrant colors for years to come, without developing that greasy, worn-out look often seen on lesser materials. Typing on PBT also offers a satisfyingly tactile feel, a slightly textured grip that many enthusiasts prefer, enhancing both comfort and precision during long typing sessions or intense gaming marathons. Another standout feature is the versatile printing style. Whether you prefer a super clean, minimalistic top surface with legends subtly placed on the side, or the traditional, easily readable top-printed characters, our range offers options to suit your preference. The legends are sharp and clear, designed to endure countless hours of use, ensuring legibility without fading. This thoughtful design choice allows you to customize not just the color, but also the overall character and aesthetic of your keyboard. And compatibility? We've got you covered. These Gradient keycap sets are designed to fit a wide array of popular mechanical keyboard layouts. Whether you're rocking a compact 60% board, a slightly larger 65% or 68% layout, or a more feature-rich 75% keyboard, you'll find a set that integrates perfectly. Swapping out your old keycaps for these beauties is a straightforward process, instantly breathing new life into your existing setup without the need for an entirely new keyboard. The benefits extend far beyond just good looks. Upgrading to these Gradient PBT keycaps is an investment in your daily comfort and long-term satisfaction. The improved feel of the PBT material can contribute to a more enjoyable typing experience, potentially reducing finger fatigue over extended periods. Furthermore, personalizing your workspace with colors that genuinely speak to you can boost your mood and creativity. It's an effortless way to make your desk environment feel more like yours, a reflection of your unique style and personality. Every glance, every tap becomes a small moment of joy. Integrating these keycaps into your setup is incredibly simple. Just carefully remove your old keycaps using a keycap puller, and then firmly press these new Gradient caps onto your switches. Consider pairing them with different RGB lighting settings on your keyboard to create even more dynamic and personalized visual effects. A deep blue gradient might look stunning with a cool white backlight, while a red to pink transition could truly pop with a warm, glowing red. Experiment and find the combination that truly makes your keyboard shine. So if you're ready to move beyond the ordinary and inject some vibrant personality and premium quality into your mechanical keyboard, our Gradient PBT keycaps are the perfect choice. Stop settling for mundane and start experiencing the joy of a truly customized, visually stunning, and wonderfully tactile typing journey. Ready to see the full spectrum of options and find the perfect gradient for your setup? Click the link in the description below to explore our collection. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and leave a comment telling us which gradient combination is your favorite. Elevate your setup today.